Welcome to Moesappreviews. Today I'm showing you the 8BitDo Pro 2. Let's open the package. Nothing special after removing the first layer. Let's open it up. The first thing we see is the controller itself with a little cover up of plastic. You can see the Super Nintendo controller layout right away. Obviously with the sticks. Kind of like the Super Nintendo and the PlayStation controller mixed. Let's remove this little piece of plastic for the buttons too. And finally we can take the controller out of the box. You can read the prints on the controller way better now compared to the older one. Turn it around. There's a nice grip here and extra buttons. Here we can see the 4 different settings this controller can be put in. So you can connect it with a PC, Android device, iOS device, or the Switch. Let's test some buttons. They're easy to push. The profile button is a new one. It seems like the controller is loaded too, which is great if you want to start right away. The D-pad seems amazing. Let's test the shoulder buttons. If you own the smartphone clip, you can put it right here. Obviously the connection button and the USB-C port. Let's open up the battery. And you can just put in 2 AA batteries in here if you want to. Close it back up. And let's put the controller aside and take a look what's left inside here. Just a small little instruction manual, nothing special. And a USB-C cable. Not too short, not too long. And that's really it. I will put a link into the info box so you can download the software you need for the firmware of the controller if you want to update it. I would recommend to update right away. Obviously I will put a link into the info box for the controller itself on Amazon too. If you want to see other videos of mine, please like, subscribe